Blah. Still in the packing phase. I tried this one, then I went to this one, and I had the big one first, but I guess I'm going with the little one. So let's get on with it and try to fit everything I want into this thing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a dilemma. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should just take carry-on luggage and no checked bag, or should I put stuff in carry-on so I can live for a week in case my luggage gets, misplaced or whatever, and I have stuff to live out, don't have to worry about it, and when I get my luggage I'll be fine. Or should I not worry about checked luggage and just use carry-on? Lately, so many airports can't handle all the traveling. The luggage people can't, there's not enough people working at the airport and they can't handle all the luggage. So, plus flights get delayed. So I have everything in this bag. So let's transport stuff back in here and put them back in those packing cubes I tried last time, which you didn't see because I never published it anyway. Okay, because I really want to take these pants even though they don't fit in. Okay. Now let's get the packing cubes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down here to fit all this stuff in here. Is this so dirty? I'd like to know. Okay, so I got these packing cube thingies from Linens. They were packed up like this. Kind of handy. So I'm gonna use them to pack the bag. So the big stuff first, I guess. Or those pants. There. So I'm gonna put all the dresses and skirts in here first.
The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love.
Skirt so far. There should be more skirts in here. Still got this one with all the shirts in it. There's like five or six t-shirts and tank tops in here. So that one is already packed. I'm not gonna repack that. No, I might take some of these out because I don't need that many. Which one? I do like this yellow one, but it only has a couple of possibilities. Well, it has more than that. Should be enough aluminium. Here's the other one I was waiting for. That's a skirt. No, that's a skirt. That's easy to handle. And this thing I definitely need to take. This is a beautiful kimono house coat kind of thing. And definitely gonna go in here. So it might be actually putting that in the middle. There can be more in here. But now that's it. Let's see. Okay, now let's put the pants in here. in stuff, all the little stuff. Bra, I only take 2 bras. I have a sports bra and a skin colored nude one. The bras you can put in the corners. I'll show you from the top and it's packed. All the underwear goes in here. Bathing suit, bikini, and then taking 2. They're new ones. Hope they're not gonna break.
Found you today. It feels like it's been forever. Laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love.
I'm gonna put a couple of pairs of underwear in my personal item, just in case this has to be checked for whatever annoying reason. It's the other pair of socks. And what else we have in here? More tops. Ooh, forgot about these. No. Oh yeah, it's the cardigans. I'll be able to put them in here. I got my shoes, pair of shoes in here. This is a laundry bag I'm going to take. It's easier to put the dirty laundry in. These are 2 cardigans. This one and the green one. I have this top I didn't put in there for whatever reason. I do like this one, but I don't know if I should take it or not. It's kind of heavy because it's got this heavy metal thing. It's nice, I like it. But I don't know if I should put it in. And that is the one t-shirt. No, not a t-shirt, it's a top with some scalloped edges. It's really cute, but stuff it on top. Got these ones. These are just flip-flops, but they're also sandals. I'm gonna wear one pair of tennis shoes, or whatever you call them, sneakers. They're really comfy to walk around with. And then I have this blanket, but I might put that in the personal thing because I can use it in case I get cold. It's like a blanket / towel. It's from Sand Cloud. It's company day. They donate most of their, they clean up oceans, so it kind of nice. It's a nice organization. Okay, well, let's see if I can close it. There's another laundry bag. I'm not sure if I need this one or not. Maybe I can put it on top here for as a net. My sandals. I stick them into my other bag on the bottom. That's going to be in the second part of this video is my personal bag. See if we can fit everything in there. What's in here? Oh, my hat. I also have a hat in here. Summer hat. This thing. Easy. I got it bun, so I wash this and I can put it on the beach. It's hot. I might bring a ball cap when I go on day excursions.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun.
Okay, so I'm going to wait and see if it's okay.
To yourself, and I see you shining.